Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play I'll Stand By You by the Great Pretenders. Okay, cool. We do have some bar chords, so it's not great for beginners. We gotta know our bar chords to learn the song. Anyway, let's go over the chords we need. We got D major for the chorus. The song is in D major. B minor, A minor, D major. Then we got a G in there. In there, we got an A sus, and then they raise the key, or actually lower the key. So we got an E minor, an F major. I think that's all the chords. Let's see, E minor, F sharp minor. Okay, so let's start with the intro, of course. It starts with just piano. D major, B minor, A major, G major. And then the first verse is D major, F sharp minor, G major, A sus to A major. Do that again. F sharp, and this time they go to B minor to A. Okay, so that's the first verse. Let's do that again. 3, 4. When she starts singing D. Doing downstrokes. F sharp minor, G, A sus, D major, G major, and this time B minor, A, and then we have the pre-chorus is F sharp, which is D. I'll stand by you. B minor, A minor, D. So that's the first part of the song, verse, chorus, and then we have a key switch. So to get to the new key, they do a quick F to G. The second verse, C major, E minor, F major, G sus, C, E minor, let's see, pre-chorus, E minor to A, E minor to A, F, G, and then we have the second chorus, which they go back to D. So the second verse, it's a key change, but it's the same chords, just a whole step down, if that makes sense. Okay, so then we have the second chorus, which is 2 times around. Stay it's D, B minor, G, B minor, A, a little bit longer, and then we have the last pre-chorus, F sharp, B minor, F sharp, B minor, G, A, and now finally the big chorus out. Stand by, stand by, A minor, D. So that's all the parts. Let's really quick talk through the chords and the different parts. So we got the intro, no vocals, D, B minor, A, G, and then she starts singing D, F sharp, G, A sus. D, F sharp, G, and this time B, A. And then pre-chorus, F sharp, B, F sharp, B, and then G. Takes it to the first chorus, which is just one time. Second chorus is 2 times, and then after that chorus we do a quick F sharp to G. F to G, and then we got the new chorus in C major. Okay, and then they go back to second chorus there 2 times. Okay, so that's the chords you need to learn and the form for the song. Awesome tune. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy.